Today, we're showcasing four incredible gaming machines that can transform any space into a gaming paradise. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Star Space VR machine, a futuristic experience that transports players into a whole new world. Priced at $10,500, this machine is perfect for VR arcades, gaming centers, or even events. With cutting-edge graphics and immersive gameplay, the Star Space VR machine offers a fully interactive experience that keeps players coming back for more. It's an investment that can quickly pay off as VR gaming continues to grow in popularity. Plus, it's easy to maintain and can be updated with new content, ensuring your customers always have fresh experiences to explore. Next, we've got the air hockey game machine, priced at just $800. This classic game is a must-have for any arcade, bar, or family entertainment center. Simple, fun, and highly competitive, air hockey has universal appeal. It's a great way to attract players of all ages and generate steady income. With its durable build and easy setup, this machine can handle hours of gameplay without missing a beat. For a truly unique gaming experience, check out the 360-degree rotation indoor VR game machine. Priced at $3,800, this machine offers a thrilling, full-body experience that's perfect for thrill seekers. This VR machine rotates a full 360 degrees, immersing players in action-packed games that push the boundaries of traditional gaming. It's a standout attraction that can draw crowds and keep them entertained for hours. With its dynamic motion and immersive gameplay, this machine is perfect for gaming centers, VR arcades, and even theme parks looking to add a high-tech attraction. Next, we have the arcade bowling video game machine, priced at $1,000. This machine combines the fun of bowling with the excitement of arcade gaming. It's easy to play, quick to set up, and perfect for venues of all sizes. Whether it's a small arcade, a bar, or a family entertainment center, this machine adds a touch of nostalgia and fun that everyone can enjoy.